Does manifestation really work to get desired career, success, or money? Most of the people don't know about manifestation, the logic and science behind it, and they are just following the rat race. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain you in an easy way how you can manifest your desires and how does it actually work. So manifestation is a power of your subconscious mind, power of your desires, power of your will to get something. While manifestation does not directly cause events or bring things into an existence, but according to the neuroscience, manifestation helps you to focus on your intention and your goals clearly, which can rewire your brain. For a successful manifestation, you must have that not giving up attitude no matter what. If no one is supporting you, support yourself. If no one is there for you, just be there for yourself. If no one is clapping for you, clap for yourself. Let's make it easy. For an example, if I truly want to buy a house in the city of Bangalore, or I really want to start my startup over there, this is my desire and I truly want it. And I'm 100% sure about it with zero doubt. Now this information will store in my subconscious mind, and now my subconscious mind will start showing me all the events, patterns, ideas related to that particular city. And it's not magic. When you truly want something, your subconscious mind start noticing all those patterns. It starts showing you all those events even if you are not thinking about it. And when you start putting in right efforts, everything works out. So for a successful manifestation, first you have to be very clear about your goals, what you exactly want, one desire at one time. You have to do journaling, you have to write your thoughts on paper, because when you write your thoughts, your desires on paper, it helps you and your brain to connect better with it, and you get a clear picture of your desires, of your goals, what you exactly want. You have to believe in yourself. Is also mentioned in our Bhagavad Gita in a beautiful way. कर्म कर, कर्मों के फल की चिंता नहीं, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. You have the right to perform your duty, but never to the fruits of your action. Just do what is in your hands. Trust me, when you look back at yourself, you will be very proud, and that time you will feel it was worth to wait. Have that faith and keep believing in yourself. Om Namah Shivaya.